Hey guys, Daniel with Redline Home Repair here, and this is just a quick little video with a tip on removing glued down carpet pad. I'm reflooring this room here and the carpet pad was being a pain to get up. So I went and got me some of this Kleen Strip Adhesive Remover. You just dump it on there. It's kind of thick, like a thicker liquid. And I poured it on there, spread it out. It's been sitting about a little less than an hour, maybe 45-50 minutes, and it is already making a difference. Just for a little perspective, it took me about an hour to do, I don't know, from that door and outlet over to the end of this pile here. So it was taking a long time, and I've more than doubled that. I'd say I more than doubled my speed. So if you're having trouble with that, get some of this Kleen Strip Adhesive Remover and give it a try.